Poland. I came to talk to him. He said, Mr. G, what happened? Mr. Poland, I just want to tell you, first of all, thank you for covering my class. But I just came to give you an advice. What advice is that, Mr. G? Mr. Poland, next time I am out and then they send you to cover me, please do not take the kids to the gym. Keep them in the cafeteria, have them do some word puzzle or anything like this, or watch a TV in your classroom. Do not go to the gym with them. I say, why, Mr. G? Say, because, Mr. Ponen, you are not covered. OK? Ou son professeur, ou pas couvrir, mais même dans son gym teacher, couvrir pour ça, on a assurance pour ça. Ou pas couvrir. So, si n'importe quoi arrive, ti moun nan là, ou ka gen problème. Parce que premier bagage, ça pas demander, est-ce que son gym teacher couvrir? Moi, je dis, wow, I didn't know about it. Principal là, pas dit, comme ça. C'est pour cette raison, ça, même là où on a un élève qui vient koto, élève là, a un problème personnel, soit un problème mental, ils viennent confide dans eux-mêmes. Ou pas supposer oser ou pas le bâtiment dans conseil, même. Ou pas un guidance counselor, ou pas un psychologist. Là, tu ne viens pas là, vous pouvez listen. I appreciate you confide in me, plus have a seat. Let me call your guidance counselor. Let me call your psychiatrist, your psychologist, whatever. Let me refer you to somebody who has license, who can serve you. Because même son professeur, même là pour me teach. M'pa là pour me bailler conseil, m'pa là pour me bagaille. Ça peut-être ça me bague une licence pour bagaille ça. So c'est comme ça que le pays a. So c'est pour cette raison ça que we have to be more aware of these things. Et dit que m'pa là pour m'expliquer nous what's going on here. I'm going to let you know, guys, comment que la déroulé parce que so far là, l'enfin pas là avec nous là, m'gagne là pour mal remplir 5 pages là, questions que vous posez, en bonne qui moun qui était là, qui moun qui pas là, qui moun qui installé test là, adresse tout bagage ça, on d'abord bagage pas même songer même. I'm going to try to come up with something pour m'écrire bagage ça yo. En bonne test là chargé moi qui installé li. So c'est therefore m'pas gagner un contracteur et c'est même qui fait li parce que jeune capable boya, remplir le travail manuel c'est moi qui fait yo. So, therefore, je vais aller écrire ça et puis pour me voir là des avocats. Photo ça que me montre nous là, c'est photo que me voyez par avocat. And then une bagaille qui gagne, me voyez une lettre tout par avocat. Mais lettre que moi écrit avocat que moi dit. En bon. Voyez dire avocat comme ça que rebuttal statement regarding fall incident. Moi, je dis to whom it may concern, I am providing this statement to clarify the circumstances surrounding the alleged fall of plaintiff. Mete no munna. Moi, je dis while delivering food for DoorDash at my residence. Attends-moi moment. Sorry, guys. Okay, at my residence. The claim that she tripped over the charging cable of my electric vehicle, it is not only misleading, but also lacks factual basis. Positioning of the car in charger, which is monté dans l'image. My car was parked close to the garage door, with the charging station located inside the garage. The charging cable, which was laying flat on the ground, extends only a short distance from the garage to the vehicle. Given the layout of my driveway, there was no reasonable need for anyone approaching my front door to walk behind my car, which is true. Parce que gens qui machine m'a placé, if you are coming to bring food to my house, you have no business going behind my car pour rentrer, pour poter manger. There are plenty other ways. Ou ka même passer sous l'eau devant ma caille là pour poter manger. So là, pas faire sens. Par contre, comment faire que mon n'a passer juste des machines. C'est à vous dire que machine dans mi-temps. Driveway. When I did access to the house, my driveway provides ample space for a direct and unobstructed path to my front door. Anyone making a delivery will have had a clear and accessible route without needing to walk behind the vehicle. The only way to end up behind the car while it was charging would have been if the individual came from the backyard, which was not the case, which is not a typical or intended path for deliveries. Now, supporting evidence. I have taken several photographs that accurately depict the driveway layout, the positioning of the car and charging cable, and the clear accessibility of my front door. These images contradicts the claim that the charging cable was an obstruction or that the plaintiff had no other route to reach my door. Conclusion. Given the logical inconsistencies in the plaintiff claim and the photographic evidence I have provided, I find this lawsuit to be without merit. The circumstances suggest that any fall resulted from the plaintiff's own action or choices of movement rather than any negligence of my part. I respectfully request that this claim be dismissed as the allegations are not supported by the physical evidence or the layout of my property. Please let me know if any further details of documentation are required. This is my statement. C'est ça que je vais avocat.